Our ample reserves regime has proven highly effective, delivering good control of our policy rate across a wide range of challenging economic conditions, while promoting financial stability and supporting a resilient payment system. In this framework, an ample supply of reserves ensures adequate liquidity in the banking system, and control of our policy rate is achieved through the setting of our administered rates, interest on reserve balances, and the overnight repurchase rate. Our long-stated plan is to stop balance sheet runoff when reserves are somewhat above the level we judge consistent with ample reserves conditions. We may approach that point in coming months, and we are closely monitoring a wide range of indicators to inform this decision. Normalizing the size of our balance sheet does not mean going back to the balance sheet we had before the pandemic. In the longer run, the size of our balance sheet is determined by the public's demand for our liabilities rather than by our pandemic-related asset purchases. Non-reserve liabilities currently stand about $1.1 trillion higher than just prior to the pandemic, thus requiring that our securities holdings be equally higher.
So, what does this really mean? Powell's message is clear. The Fed is preparing to slow down its balance sheet reduction, meaning more liquidity could soon flow back into the system. This matters because every time the Fed pivots from tightening to stability, we see a ripple effect. Lower bond yields, potential stock rallies, and renewed risk appetite across the financial sector, including crypto. But there's also a catch. The Fed isn't saying it'll return to pre-pandemic levels. It's acknowledging that the system now requires trillions more in reserves. That tells us one thing: the money era we entered during the pandemic has permanently expanded. And as always, this clip is used under fair use, for commentary, analysis, and educational purposes, to help you understand what's really unfolding behind these economic shifts. This is the Cryptagon. Stay sharp, stay informed.